Hello everyone! My name is Sparky, and 2026 will be my third year participating in Artfight. While you can do great things with basic HTML, what if I said there was a way to step things up a notch and take your profile from this to this? Today, we'll be discussing advanced HTML on Artfight. Before diving in, I recommend you watch my first video on Artfight HTML, which is linked above. It discusses the main UI, how to add decorations, images, and a random character button. To avoid redundancy, this video was scripted assuming you already know the basics. Please note that we will not be covering how to write original code. Instead, we will be borrowing pre-made code. This tutorial is best followed on a PC or Chromebook, namely for the control find function. You can emulate this on mobile, but it will be difficult. Without further ado, let's get into it.
And we cannot escape, we cannot come out? Mama!
To get started, you need to find somewhere to source your code. I would recommend Toy House, as there's an entire world of free HTML coded specifically for Artfight. To find it, go to the Browse tab and select Search. Set your search filters to this and press the search button. Scroll down and find a code you like. Click it, then look for something labeled Code on the sidebar and copy everything there. I'll be using Catsio's Nuco for this tutorial and will link it in the description if you'd like to use it yourself. Depending on whether you'd like to alter your code, the next steps will play out differently. If you like the code as is, simply go to your Artfight profile editor, select Code View, and paste everything you copy. Then, disable Code View and freely edit from the preview. Clicking certain items such as images and links lets you edit them. If you'd like to alter your code, you should use Circle Journey, which I have linked in the description. You can make it work with just Artfight's code editor, but I find the UI clunky and hard to work with. Let's take a look at Nuco Blue. When removing assets in the code editor, it is important to look for start and end, which you can do easily using Control Find. Let's try removing the folders by deleting this snippet of code. Switching back to the live preview, we can now see that the folders are gone. Sometimes the code you're working with won't have start or end points. When a direct solution is unclear, you will need to experiment a bit. Let's try removing the background next. Use Control Find and search for background. We can interpret from the surrounding code that this is what adds the background, so let's delete it. You can also change the color of certain items by searching for their hex and replacing it with your preferred one. Circle Journey automatically highlights these for you. If you have any specific questions or issues with the code you're using, you can always reach out to the person who wrote it and ask for help. That being said, please do not remove the coder's credit if they have one. Leaving it helps others find and use their code and will help you if you need to ask them something.
Okay, any questions before I go on from here? Great. I really understood that well.
Frankensteining is a term used to describe combining multiple codes. Before you Frankenstein any code, please make sure all creators of the code you are using are okay with it. For simplicity's sake, I am going to use Nuco again and move the featured characters widgets from the right to the left. First, find the part you want to add and then copy the code. Next, find where you need to insert the code. In my instance, we'll be replacing the folders widget. Highlight the code you are replacing and paste the code you are adding. Just like that, you're done. HTML is very innovative, so you will learn more as you work with it. That being said, making your profile stand out is one thing, but if you'd like to make your characters stand out, click the video on screen. Thanks for watching and stay Sparky!